Well, let me start with this question. And this is where we have that little conversation about your business spotlight. Okay.
Hmm.
So the first question is that if nobody has ever heard about your business, and this is the first time knowing about your business while I'm talking to you, because I'm going to put this part online. What would you want them to know about your business? What's your business story?
Oh my gosh. We're just, I don't even, I always struggle with these kind of questions because I'm very nuts and bolts. And
Right.
I mean, we're just a little tiny business. It started off with me and my daughters and my children. They've kind of grown up. Now it's
Mm-hmm.
me and about 14 employees.
Mm-hmm.
We
Wow.
make everything here from scratch. The ice cream, the entire bakery case, we make everything in there. We serve breakfast and lunch. We have a second restaurant that we just started as well. That started off as a little food truck for extra kitchen space. So I mean, it's food from the heart. I don't really follow recipes. I throw stuff together. That's why we kind of came up with Heart Made. I don't know. I, I'm not a good marketer, as you can tell. I'm a cook.
No, no, no. But here's the thing, Laura. It's that realness that people connect to. Because a lot of small businesses are not real marketers either. Sometimes they get into the business just for the same reason, that you got into it. You saw an opportunity, you want to serve the community, and you went in there and started doing it. And the next thing you know, you have to deal with marketing, you have to deal with promotion, you got to deal with running ads, you have to
Yeah.
deal with getting visibility. And all of that is not in your,
It's
it's
not
not
my
what you're good.
wheelhouse for sure.
It's
Yeah.
not in your wheelhouse. That's not what you're good at. Let me ask you another question though. Stay about your business. What are the beliefs that you had that when you started the business that you yourself you find your heart say, look, these are the reasons I want to go and start this business. I'm gonna do it. And those beliefs that other people didn't hold those beliefs, but you held them so strong that make you to move forward.
We started this business as a creative outlet for me. I was a in my previous marriage, we were dairy farmers and I was a cheesemaker. And I used to make ice cream and it was just highly creative. I was just highly creative. I made way too many different kinds of cheeses and I don't never could do the same thing twice almost. I just had ridiculous amount of cheeses that we made. But we had a cheese of the month club and shipped it out across the country. I mean, it was a lot of fun.